Hello to my District 148 students. It's Mrs. Nelson. I have a student request right now. So let's go ahead and check out our student request all the way from Miss Blazes' room over at Roosevelt Elementary. Let's check this out. I have Deadly Predators. This book was written by Melissa Stewart. It is a nonfiction book. She wrote this book to teach us about predators that are in the wild. If you want to check this book out, here's the call number. It's in the easy section, 591.53. And you're more than welcome to go to your public library and borrow this book, Deadly Predators. Wolves chase, sharks attack, and bears lunge. All these animals are predators. They're all after the same thing. Meat. They need it to live and grow. Dogs in the wild. Wolves are members of the dog family. So are foxes, coyotes, and African wild dogs. All of these dogs are powerful predators. Big ears help the dogs hear their prey. Sensitive noses help the dogs sniff out food. Wild dogs also have large teeth and strong jaws. They can kill prey larger than themselves. Cats in the wild. 36 kinds of cats live in the wild, and they're all expert hunters. The rusty spotted cat is the smallest. It weighs less than a half-gallon jug of milk. What is the biggest cat in the world? It's the Siberian tiger. It can weigh more than 3 large men. Most cats live alone, but lions live in a family group called a pride. The males protect the group. The females do all the hunting. A cougar has long, strong legs, but it can't run fast or far. It sneaks up on a prey. Then it jumps on the animal and bites its neck. Polar bears. The polar bear is the largest bear in the world. It's also the most deadly. Polar bears use their sharp teeth and huge paws to catch prey. They hunt alone. Polar bears mostly eat snails snatched from the holes, but sometimes they'll eat small animals too. Mini monsters. These predators may be small, but they sure are deadly. They have a giant water bug. A giant water bug hunts fish and frogs, snakes and snails. It jabs prey with its mouth parts. Then it sucks out the animal's insides. Wild scorpions. This little critter has huge jaws and runs like the wind. It chases down termites, beetles, and even lizards. This one caught a cricket. A short-tailed shrew. This shrew's spit is full of venom. The shrew uses the spit to paralyze its prey. Army ants. A group of army ants looks like a moving carpet. The group can be as wide as a street. It can be as long as a football field. The ants kill and eat everything in its path. Ocean hunters. The great white shark can go weeks without eating, but when it gets hungry, look out. The fierce fish has over 3,000 teeth. It uses to grab fish, seals, sea lions, and dolphins. Orcas have 2 ways of hunting. They can surround a large animal and attack as a group. Then they share the meal. Orcas can also push a lot of fish right into a tight ball. Then the orcas take turns eating the prey. This is called a bait ball. Super predators. The biggest. A blue whale is longer than 2 school buses, but it eats shrimp like critters, no bigger than your pinky. Fastest on land, A cheetah can run as fast as a car on the highway. It's faster than the prey. Fastest in the air. How does a peregrine falcon catch prey? By diving through the air 3 times faster than a car on a highway. Strangest. A fossa looks like a cross between a squirrel and a kitten. It hunts lemurs, birds, crabs, snakes, and more. Longest jumper. A cougar has powerful back legs. When it jumps from a high place, this big cat can jump the length of a pickup. And most beautiful, a sea anemone looks like a flower, but it has tentacles with venom that can kill fish or shrimp in seconds. Snakes, lizards, and crocodiles. Snakes kill their prey in different ways. Some snakes have venom in their fangs that paralyze the animals they catch. Then the whole snake is swallowed. Then the snake swallows the prey whole. Other snakes don't use venom. The anaconda grabs an animal with its teeth. Then it curls around the prey and it squeezes it to death. Many lizards are small enough to sit in your hand, but a Komodo dragon is as big as a surfboard. The giant lizard has 60 sharp, jagged teeth. Its spit is even more deadly. It's full of germs that can kill prey in one bite. How does a hungry crocodile catch its prey? It lies in the water and waits. The patient hunter can wait for hours. When prey passes by, the croc grabs it, pulls it underwater, and waits for it to drown. Perfect predators. Crocs, cheetahs, wolves, sharks, and snakes are some of the most awesome predators on the planet. But they don't hunt for fun. They hunt to feed themselves and their families. And then there's a quiz. If you borrow the book, you can go ahead and do a self-check here. And this is our book, Deadly Predators, for my students in Miss Blazes' class. Enjoy!